To avoid payment blocks on WhatsApp, it's essential to follow certain guidelines and best practices. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Verify your account. Ensure that your WhatsApp account is verified with a valid phone number. This helps establish your identity and reduces the chances of payment blocks. Step 2. Use a secure payment method. Link a secure and recognized payment method to your WhatsApp account. Avoid using unverified or suspicious payment options that could trigger security alerts. Step 3. Follow WhatsApp policies. Familiarize yourself with WhatsApp's payment policies and guidelines. Adhering to these rules will help you avoid actions that could lead to account restrictions. Step 4. Maintain account activity. Regularly use your WhatsApp account for legitimate transactions. Inactivity or unusual behavior may raise flags and lead to payment blocks. Step 5. Report issues promptly. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can help ensure a smoother experience with payments on WhatsApp and reduce the risk of future blocks.